This is part 3 of the breakdown series. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, please do. So apparently, things are moving faster than we expected. And now I just wanted to see if it actually fits. So this one was done with life, and this one had to come to save the day. And so the work began. So yeah, turns out that we are not just installing it, we are customizing it. You'd think it's just cut, fit, done, right? Yeah, not really. Every adjustment matters. If we are off even a little, we are back to square one. And so they split the work. One focuses on setting up the new axle, while the other one takes apart the old one. Not everything here is useless. Some parts are still fine. So instead of wasting them, we transfer them to the new one. Even if this axle failed, with this economy, we can all agree that some parts really deserve a second chance. At this point, we are not taking any chances. Everything has to be checked. So he checks the gears to make sure if everything is still in good shape. So piece by piece, he started by transferring the diff into the new axle housing. Perfect fit. Up next were the axle shafts. With the first axle in place, focus shifted to the second one. At this point, I'm just watching and hoping that everything works out. Remember, the truck was abandoned somewhere in the bush. Meanwhile, we are here customizing parts. No guarantee that this will even work.
Hey,
more and more adjustments. Everything depends on this fitting. And if it doesn't work, wow, we are in trouble. Everything was set, we were ready, then...
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
the lights went out.
Years later.
The lights came back, and just like that, we were back in business. After all those adjustments, now it was time to commit, because from here, there's no going back. Once it's welded, it's welded. And just like that, finally the welding was done. I got a new bearing for the axle and brought it straight to the mechanic. So with most of the work done, he shifted focus to other things.
A few moments later.